I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure Premium specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. There's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.